Reuters reports that the U.S. Department of Agriculture said Tyson Foods is recalling about 69,000 pounds of frozen, ready-to-eat chicken strips that may be contaminated with metal. The department's Food Safety and Inspection Service said it had received 2 consumer complaints of extraneous material in Tyson's chicken strip products and that there were no reports of illnesses. Tyson, the top U.S. meat processor, is recalling its fully cooked buffalo-style chicken strip fritters, crispy chicken strips, and chicken breast strip fritters with a before-use date of November 30th, 2019.